welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be organizing my spices, and I usually have them in the cabinet, and this is how it usually looks. Like every time I organize them, I don't even know if it lasts the day organized. It always becomes a big mess like this, and I'm always looking in the back for my spices and everything's tumbling over. So I decided to move everything from the cabinet to my drawer. And so I purchased some jars and labels and a drawer insert to put the spices in. And I'll be showing you everything, and I'll link everything down below. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the items that I purchased to organize my spices. So this comes in a set of 36 jars, and it comes with jars like this, and it has the cap. And then it has the option of the big dispenser and the small dispensers, which I love that option because not all of them have that option. And then it also comes with this and the labels. So this is how the labels look. They're black circles with white writing, and I love that because you can easily read it. I actually also purchased the rectangular ones, clear rectangular ones with black writing, and I found that I could hardly see. So I like these because you could easily just grab the spice that you need. And it comes with 340 printed labels, and it has all the names on the front page like this. I purchased these spice drawer inserts. I got these from Amazon. They're by mdesign, and I got 2 of them so I could fill up the entire drawer because this is a wide drawer. And this should fit about 46 to 48 of the spice jars that I purchased. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is taking everything out of the cabinet and setting it on the counter so I can kind of look through and see what spices I have, if I need to refill on anything, and how many jars I'm gonna need. Just got done organizing my spices, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. So now everything's easily accessible. I can grab anything I want without knocking anything over. I put everything in alphabetical order. That way, if I want a certain spice, I know what section to find it in. So if you're looking to organize your spices, I definitely recommend these drawer inserts. And I got the drawer inserts and the jars from Amazon. I will leave the link down below for that. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know if you'd like to see more of these types of videos. I would love to bring them your way. So just let me know, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.